various designs step by step, each stage, what the importance role play with my designing. That's I will show you. Welcome to my collection. He's my associate person who just look after my all sampling department. Let's start. These are my concerns which concern to the western part of India called Gujarat. This is all the finishing what you are looking, the copper with the brass, with the silver. You just see this is copper, this is brass. So these are all the items what we cater to US European economy as a gift boxes as well as jewelry utility boxes. Whatever the collection you are looking, this is the epoxy work, the small water epoxy, all these collection you can see how we just utilize the concept. Because behind my each designing, the concept is highly utility type of. It's a handcrafted, this is gifted and as well as utility. These are some more patterns what you can see. These I cater to Middle East economy and the gift boxes just for a food grade past item. These I use in a gifting purpose and for dry fruits utility purpose. These are my chest drawers. These I cater to the Middle East economy, these boxes. So in the Middle East, in Europe also people, they usually use it for the utility purpose. These are some of other patterns. You can see all the colors, gold, various finishing, I just use it. This is also same. Here this is called antique bone collection. These items I am selling more than 25 years to Europe, US and Latin American economy. These are my some of the most popular designs. I am having some small sampling department unit. In this department, I just make the costing and how to make the packing, etc. All the CAD system is available here. My merchandiser, they assist me for the same. This is my media showroom. This is my all cut bangles and beaded type of things. This is the beads. You can see beads, etc. So this is almost a waste also, and somewhere I just take it from the finished goods, I break it and then I design all these concepts. So on each design you can see how we make. These are the beaded boxes. What are the patterns and designs we are making? Just see over here. All these boxes plays a very different roles. You just see me all patterns over here. Just see all these designs. Then I have done various printing pattern on this, like in printing patterns with the cut bangles. Here is also same with some printings, the prints and the beaded works all together. So these are certain very unique things we have done, the beaded works. And with some wood beads, just see how the colors combination. Same here, I have just done some animal prints with the beaded works and the glass works. So all patterns having a different variety. Now these are my shell of items. Shell, you can see the wastage of sea that we have utilized here. Same over here, I am having some collection of chest drawers. You can use it as a utility. Just see, this is with the mother of pearl, this is New Zealand shell. Same over here, just see, the painted as well as utility. So all these patterns you can see, a different variety. Now I'm having, this is called Tibet collection, Tibet collections. These boxes are utility type of boxes. This I made on a stainless steel base. Highly utility type of items. Just see, these high utility type of items. So every patterns, every color combination is very different over here. Just see here. Small boxes, all the colors. Even I just nested also small boxes like in tray. Behind my each design, my theme project is I want to make all item have to be gifted as well as highly utility. This is my antique bone boxes collection. I started from the carrier when I begin in an animal bone hornwood production in the near year 1988. From year 1988, I started my work with these bone boxes. And you can see all these designs. These are my all oldest pattern, you can see. All made is pure animal bone because I source the bone from the mutton factories. From there I source all these things. Now these are also bone. You just see this is horn. This is animal horn. Buffalo horn, buffalo ox horn. This all production, whatever you are looking, all this is with a horn. This is horn. So each chips we have just done. This is African concept. You can see these designs just look like a African pattern. All these patterns. Similarly, I made same thing in an animal bone and a horn all together. These are ice buckets. I show you. These are my ice buckets. It's in a stainless steel base. These are my ice buckets. I made it with the animal prints also. Just see the snake patterns, how I just done. This is also horn, natural horn, but I had just in a burn. So these all patterns, what you are looking, all this is horn. So here my index is for the horn range. Now just, this is my colored bone range. Just see the pattern, how I had designed this all concept. In a round boxes, see the concepts, see the design, see the finishing, how we do it. Because I carry my each concept according to the home furnishing range. Okay, these are my highly colored. Just see, this is how dip color I use in my designs. I dip it around 10 to 15 days in the tank to make the colors, because I make all the colors different patterns. Here also just see. And then this is white pattern. See my coffin box. I'm having some mirrors also. These are my some mirrors. I can customize any patterns in the mirrors. This is my recycle range. You can see this is the wastage of computer, keyboard, telephones and pencils, all I had done, and then I have made these patterns. You just see everything with the rulers, with the pencils, the photo frames. You can see how many patterns I am having with the computer keyboards, telephone buttons. Just see all my designs. Same over here, I had done same patterns in a many sizes like this, like this, how it's looking. And this is my mosaic collection. Just see all patterns, all these boxes having a different story. All these patterns, because I customize according to various patterns. Just see the boxes, designs, the cracker finish, over here cracker finish. So we are having so many patterns on the same. You can see like this. So we are having many patterns in the same. And this is some of the painted with a bone inlay artwork. This is all Moroccan patterns, what you are looking over here, with the painted work and the bone together. And these are my swatches and small pill boxes. I'm having so many designs patterns. So I try to avoid to make a bigger boxes. So I make a small boxes, then I make a bigger boxes according to the demand. Same over here, these are my swatches, patterns. You can see, whosoever wants to design any mirror, boxes, some table tops, everything, I make these swatches. So people may understand with these swatches what pattern they use. Anybody want to develop the tiles, tabletops, coasters, whatever, we can make according to this. These are the trays also. Here, it start my bone bathroom accessories. You can see the bathroom accessories. And this is the entire mother of pearls collections. The trays, just see the round trays. See my many trays with the small items. We are having many patterns on the same. We are having many gift boxes. The same in the stainless steel also. Okay. Small boxes, big boxes, all collection we are having. These are my same coasters with the various Moroccan patterns, some small utility pill boxes as these with a tray, and this is all my ikat print with a resin work, many designs, boxes. I make matching photo frames also along with this. So you just see every box gives a different story patterns according to the home furnishing concept. Same, these are my some resin boxes in a many patterns. And these are some my red color resin concepts. Just see how the red color we have combined with the animal bone, horn. Just see how the horn scraps. This is with the horn. This is with the bone. So every pattern's giving a different. This is my wood with the bone inlay concept. See the round finishing. How we have just designed these patterns. This is highly expensive work. This is my bone round boxes. boxes and various other resin patterns you can see. This is my mosque design, dome shape of boxes. Just see the pattern, how unique, artistic. These are in a round boxes. This is also dome shapes. See the finishing on the same. And all these are my resin concepts. This is my feather look. This is also with a feather look. So each design having a different story. Same here, it is my joint wood collection. Just see how we had done various wood joints, then we have made these boxes. All pattern having a different specialty. Just see. All these we are having a joint wood. See the shape and designs pattern of all these. Same over here. We have combined with the metal also here. With the metal. Joint wood boxes with the metal finishing. And as I shown, these are my small boxes. With its horn, with bone, with resin, many boxes. Small jewelry utility boxes. Then these are with the resin and bone. And these are my inlay work with the wood. And same over here with the mother of pearls. This I made with the mango wood. See various patterns with the mother of pearls. This all shell is from the New Zealand. And then I just done bone, horn, mother of pearls, all inlay work. I'm having many patterns of shell tray, the napkin ring, the spoon, many patterns over here with the magnifying lenses. With the paperweight. And wide range of other shell accessories. I'm having some stone boxes. Just see how we have made these stone boxes on the MDF. These are various finishes of the stones. We are having a big boxes also, traditional big boxes for more space. Same chest drawers. And these are our beaded artwork type of boxes. Utility type of briefcase boxes. These are our all kitchenware products, and you just see all the various metal finishing type of items you can see up. These we use in a various utility purpose for the food grade and many other standards, whatever you need. All these products are our aroma items. For the spa items, incense products you can see. These also our incense products. These are our lamps according to US European standard norms. These are our boxes, ash catchers, ashtrays, boxes with a various logo on the same, Buddhas, Pentagon, many boxes. Same with the elephant for flower vase. Behind everything, the coaster range, mortar pestle, and these are some Middle East collections. These are high utility boxes too. This based on stainless steel. The tray, round, rectangular. This we made on a stainless steel base. Hope this is satisfactory for you to introduce ours.